cybersecurity career with this simple roadmap. Module 1. Understanding the cybersecurity roadmap. Basics to start. Computer fundamentals. Operating systems, Windows and Linux. How the Internet works. Start with the basics. Learn computer fundamentals, operating systems like Windows and Linux, and understand how the Internet works. These are the building blocks of cybersecurity. Module 2. Diving into networking fundamentals. Networking topics. TCP/IP, DNS, HTTP, firewalls. Focus on networking concepts like TCP/IP, DNS, HTTP, and firewalls. Understand system communication and where vulnerabilities exist. Module 3. Introduction to programming languages. Programming languages. Python, JavaScript, Bash scripting. Learn languages like Python, JavaScript, or Bash scripting. Programming helps automate tasks and understand attackers and defenders. Module 4. Exploring cybersecurity concepts. Key concepts. Ethical hacking, penetration testing, malware and phishing, ransomware, cryptography. Dive into ethical hacking, penetration testing, malware, phishing, ransomware, and cryptography. Essential knowledge for every cybersecurity professional. Module 5. Hands-on practice tools and platforms. Practice. Tools: Wireshark, MAP, and Metasploit. Platforms: Try HackMe and Hack the Box. Use tools like Wireshark, MAP, and Metasploit. Practice on platforms like Try HackMe or Hack the Box to gain real-world experience. Module 6. Certifications for career growth. Certifications to pursue. Certified Ethical Hacker, CompTIA Security Plus, OSCP. Certifications like CEH, CompTIA Security Plus, or OSCP validate your skills and boost job opportunities. Conclusion. Your cybersecurity journey starts now. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields worldwide. Stay consistent, keep learning and practicing. Your journey in cybersecurity starts today. Start your cybersecurity career with confidence.